If you're starting or restarting my 7-day Fiber-Maxed Keto Meal Plan, this is the only grocery list you need. I'm breaking down every single item, showing you how to swap for budget options and what to buy in bulk to save long-term. Grab a notebook or get ready to screenshot this because we are going through the full shopping list right now. Let's dive into Section 1, your exact grocery list, organized by category for a smooth trip through the aisles. First, proteins. You'll need 1 to 2 dozen eggs and 3 to 4 pounds of chicken thighs or breasts. Chicken thighs are usually more budget-friendly and provide those healthy keto fats we're looking for. Add 2 pounds of ground turkey or beef and 2 to 3 salmon fillets to your cart for your omega-3s. These proteins are the foundation of your meals for the next 7 days, ensuring you stay satiated. Finally, grab a pound of shrimp, a few cans of sardines, full-fat Greek yogurt, and some cottage cheese. These dairy items are excellent for quick, high-protein snacks that keep your insulin levels stable. Next up, the high-fiber superstars, vegetables. Stock up on spinach, arugula, or mixed greens, and plenty of kale. We want at least 2 to 3 cups of these greens per meal to maximize your fiber intake. Grab 4 to 5 zucchinis, an eggplant or 2 to 3 heads of broccoli, and a bag of Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous vegetables are packed with fiber and essential nutrients to support your metabolic health. You'll also need 2 heads of cauliflower, a whole cabbage, bell peppers, cucumber, and celery for crunch. And don't forget the avocados. Grab 5 to 7 of them. They are your ultimate keto fiber and fat source. For fruits, keep it low carb with raspberries and blueberries. Then, grab your fiber add-ins like chia and flax seeds. Check your pantry for garlic, cinnamon, mustard, and a low-sugar marinara sauce to keep meals flavorful. Now, Section 2. Let's talk about smart budget swaps so you can do this without breaking the bank. If fresh salmon is too pricey, swap it for canned salmon. It has the same nutrients at a fraction of the cost. Buy frozen broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower. They are just as nutritious and often much cheaper than fresh. Remember, you do not need premium organic everything. Consistency is far more important than perfection. Section 3. Buy these items in bulk. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and olive oil will last you way beyond 7 days. Buying ground meat or eggs in family packs is a huge money saver. Just freeze what you don't use this week. Section 4. Smart shopping strategy. Here's how to navigate the store like a pro and stay on track. Shop the perimeter first. This is where the real whole foods live. Avoid the inner keto snack aisles. Wash and prep your produce the same day you shop. It makes meal prep during the week so much faster. If you're on a very tight budget, stick to these staples. You can absolutely do this affordably. Want a printable version of this list? Let me know in the comments and share this with a friend starting keto. Preparation beats motivation every time. Subscribe for the next meal prep video and let's make this easy.